Hi everyone, today I am sharing with you my family's favorite Urad Dal that I have learned it from my mom. My mom has learned it from my grandma. So now I am sharing it with you. The recipe is going to be description box below. For that we need soak Urad Dal and some spices. So I'm going to in the pressure cooker, add salt, red chili powder, turmeric, ginger garlic chili paste and some astafatida. Now I'm going to add some hot water inside. Make sure the water level is 1 inch above the dal. Add 3 tablespoons of regular oil or olive oil, whatever oil you have. And close the lid. I didn't close it completely because mine is pressure cooker, but if you have regular lid, put it on and cook it until you see the lentils on the top. It means lentil is on the top. And it took me 10 minutes. So right now I'm going to taste the water and check on seasoning, make sure everything is good. If everything is good, then I'm going to close the lid and cook it until it starts to whistle but not completely. And now I'm going to turn off the flame and now it's cooked. It doesn't take that long to cook. Like whole procedure took me 15 to 20 minutes and this is how it looks. The lentils should be separated and there shouldn't be any water at the bottom. So this is how it should look like. We serve it with chapati and some tomatoes and onion on the side. I hope you like my recipe. Enjoy. Now I'm going to pressure cook it until it's about to start whistling. And now we are going to open and the dal is almost cooked. Only thing we have to do is burn some water. So we are going to put it on the flame and wait until the water burns.